足球明星大卫·贝克汉姆大尺度出镜，为服饰品牌 H&M 拍摄最新广告。在这个广告中，贝克汉姆为他自己的内衣系列担任模特。这个广告将在2月5号超级杯橄榄赛中播出。这个系列包括内裤、短裤、中裤、T 恤，2月份在 H&M 店铺开始销售。
I love underwear. Simple as that. We all wear it. We all have to wear it at times. So obviously it was something that I wanted to go into. It's something that I was very passionate about, and it's also something that I've created myself. So it's very personal to me, and I'm very proud of it.
同时推出的还有位于纽约市海诺德广场的手绘广告牌，该广告将在橄榄球大赛期间投放，而广告拍摄花絮也将会在视频网站上播出。